Hi, I'm Dr. Sunil Richardson. So here we have with us a physician. He's actually an anesthesiologist, and we've done a genioplasty and jaw sculpting for him. What does it exactly mean? We've got his lower third of the face improved. We've got it forward, both in the horizontal and in the vertical dimension. Also, I've given him a much straighter jawline, a little bit of a V-lining without touching the angle. That's what I mean by saying genioplasty jaw sculpting. Now, I'm quickly going to go through how he looked. And that's how he was. And this is 5 days after surgery. Or how many days now?
6 days.
6 days after surgery. And that's the difference you can see. And you can see this is the side view. And we're going to show you some more views. That's probably now similar to the view that he's looking. So you can see the amount of advancement, improvement in both dimensions. And I already said this is only day 6. He works in a city about 500 kilometers from here. He's told me he's going to come back again and let me know how he looks, but he's absolutely fine. So that's the result you can see that we can get with this kind of jaw surgery. We can really get the augmentation. There's no scar. The results are for life. And we put fine plates and screws like what you can see here. So you can see the plates and screws here. This is a CBCT of another patient, just to tell you how the plates and screws would be looking like. Now, I want to quickly ask some questions to doctor so you people understand how simple this is actually when you come and get it done with us. Right. First thing, doctor, so we did surgery for you, and after how many hours you went home?
Within a day. I had my surgery last Saturday.
Okay.
Next day I went home.
So he was here in the hospital for like about 20 hours. It wasn't daycare because he spent the night with us, but just one day he's gone home, right? Now in this last 1 week, what are all the discomforts you have faced, or what are the changes you have done to your lifestyle?
Nothing much. Actually, I have slight pain.
Okay.
This last 1 week. And other than that, there is a numbness on these areas.
On
In
the
the
lower
lower
area.
lip and the lower
Okay.
chin area.
Okay.
Nothing else I could.
Do everything else.
Yeah.
But you're on leave for 1 week, right?
Yeah.
You start work from tomorrow?
From day after tomorrow.
From day after tomorrow. Alright, so he had taken a week off from his busy schedule, busy work as an anesthesiologist. Now, he clearly said 24 hours less than that here at the hospital. Now, about 5 days over, he has some numbness. So, doctor, I think I already mentioned to you, but let me go through it again. So, when we do an extended genioplasty, I'm making my cut much behind the nerve. That is the reason we are able to move the jaw so significantly. Classical genioplasty, just small cuts here. But you know, there are more than 15, 16 types of genioplasties I'm doing based on the need of the patient, based on what is actually required. Now, if you remember, I did 12 millimeter movement for you.
Yeah.
Yes, 12 millimeter. That's an extended movement and no bone grafting. So for me to have some bony contact between the two segments of the bone after I make the cut and move it forward, I need it to be longer, the genioplasty segment. Also, I need the design to be slightly different. Hence, I go much beneath the nerve. So when I do that, I need to free the nerve more. If you see my videos, my nerves are this long, but actually mental nerve is very small. So what happens, I dissect it out. So when I'm dissecting it out, there's some tension on the nerve, you know. So that causes this kind of temporary numbness. But none of the patients will have a permanent numbness. This numbness varies from complete, but mostly partial. Not complete, mostly partial. Rarely they have complete, and then within 4 to 8 weeks, you're going to get all of that back. Okay? Maybe in the worst scenario, 12 months or 12 weeks.
Okay.
But that's 3 months. That's it. You will feel as you're recovering, there is some heaviness you will feel. All the heaviness will slowly
Swelling is there.
that will disappear. We are not able to see much swelling already. But I know there is
I
swelling.
feel some
There is
kind of
swelling.
hardness on it.
Exactly. So all of that will take few more weeks before it totally disappears. So this is the thing about genioplasty jaw sculpting. Even if we do a major osteotomy here at Richardson's with upper jaw, lower jaw, cheekbone, chin, everything, the patient can go home in 5 days or 7 days, and recovery is just 3 weeks. But when we're doing just a genioplasty with jaw sculpting, I'm not saying every patient can go home in 24 hours, but if the patient's living nearby, if the patient is a responsible individual, if the patient is a physician, a doctor, or an anesthesiologist in this case, they can actually go home that quickly, and you can see the recovery, how it happens. So I'm going to show you this picture once more so you have an idea just before we say bye. Now that's the kind of improvement we've got. You can see the proportional improvement of the lower jaw. No bone taken from anywhere, no scar for the patient. I mean, his personality is going to change so much. This is going to give him so much more confidence, especially as a guy who is in his 20s. And you can just take this total thing and now see how that is. Yes, you can see this is some swelling, but once it settles down, it's going to really blend in nicely. It's going to have a smooth V-shaping there, but also the projection. Alright, so thank you. Get well soon, and since you're not from very far away originally,
I'll come back, sir.
Yeah.
For Easter, we come here.
yeah, so whenever you come from your work for a vacation, for something, just come and meet up so we will see how we're doing at least once more.
Yeah, sure.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay.